Oh, behave. Remember, he used to work for Genu. Oh, don't cry. Ooh, Derpy's got an idea.
Yeah.
What a clever tiger goblin kitty thing. Rumi has so many skills. Who knew paper folding was one of them? We can use it to make anything, like the Sprunki's own Derpy.
Wow.
In fact, they can each get a Derpy. Ha! Everyone gets a Derpy. Since the gang's all here, let's race them. Come on, little Derpies. You've got the tiger spirit. In fact, you might actually be tiger spirits.
Yay!
It's a tie! Everyone's a winner when Derpy's around.
Ooh.
Crank out the disco ball. It's a Sprunki pizza party. This is a real shindig. They're even staying up past 8. But you guys should really take care of your trash. Well, I guess it's up to our hosts to clean house. Do I need to ask if they even used coasters? Uh-oh, you're making Simon angry. You won't like him when he will become a Sprunki eater. Now I see why dogs don't like vacuum cleaners. You guys are about to have a little time out. But Gray doesn't want anyone thinking he's a bad host. So why don't we play some games to spring them? First, something spooky's going on at the play park. Oh, why didn't these kids just stay home and play video games? This is exactly why inside became a thing. What a mean slide. I always liked swings better. And just look at those teeth. All the better to bite you with.
Hey.
This is a playground, so we need an old playground trick. Mints and soda. You can't beat a classic. And this ain't the sugar-free kind either. The baby Sprunkies are free. And we got a tooth. What's more relaxing than a trip on the lake? A little fishing, and mermaid catching too. We need to throw these guys back. Gray, we've got a new mission for you. Go down and help let them loose. After all, they won't make good fish sticks. Uh-oh, that net is made of tough material. Maybe this is a job for someone with fingers. It comes in handy when you need to use scissors. Courtesy of our old pal, Semi-Hemi. Time to put those choppers to good use. Now swim on out of here, unless you want to be sashimi. I wonder what the mermaids are gonna do now. Ooh, it looks like they want a little word with you. Remember, always pack your water wings. Here's the next item, straight from the sea, a shell. Speaking of mermaids, Vineria's looking like a chicken of the sea. And something tells me she's not the scariest thing in here. Don't worry, no monster can withstand the power of a flashlight. While we're on it, maybe Vineria will enjoy the company. Just make sure we caught them all. Next up, looks like your Hogwarts letter finally came. Just need leg of toad, and rest of toad. A toadstool, some eye of newt, set to boil. Now let's bring on all mermaid friends. This witch's brew is like chicken soup for the soul. Just save some for our next item. Looks like we're heading back to the water. And just in time. We need to help clean up the lake. I think we know where to start and who to stop. Naughty Mr. Black. Let's mess up your plumbing. Even Mario won't be able to help you now. In fact, all the gunk will go somewhere safe and secure. Wow, you even earned an extra life! But now, let's clear up all of this litter. You know, I never knew so many things could be magnetic. Well, if it cleans up the lake, I'm not gonna complain.
Huh?
Just keep an eye on your bait. Don't want to hurt the fish. Unless it's lunchtime. Where are we on that sashimi idea? Guess there really are plenty of fish in the sea. We've got heart, in more ways than one. Who needs the sea when we've got a winter wonderland? Just make sure you're properly dressed first. Uh-oh, winter just freezes in the snow, ironically. Maybe this stick could help. Maybe not. Oh no, we have to hurry before winter turns into an ice cone. We should make sure that everything is safe around here. Uh-oh, this looks like a job for our trusty mallet. When it comes to reindeer, I'll stick with Rudolph. Usually, third time's the charm around here. We need to heat things up around here. Or we'll need to change Gray's name to Blue. Gray is gray again, but let's save some water. Once again, a little water is the solution.
Ooh.
There's so much cool stuff, from ice cream to penguins. But let's focus. We need to find Winter. Ooh, looks like Santa needs to pick up Frosty. We found Winter, and she's got a foxy new attitude. How unique! We've got a new snowflake. All these items combined will get Simon back to normal.
Huh?
Okay, you've spent enough time out. You're free to go. Want to have a basement party? No? Then we might as well head upstairs. Watch your step. Oh no, not this again. Come on, everyone. Let's all lend a hand to pick things up. See? Cleaning can be fun. And so is avoiding Simon's wrath. It looks like leaves, so I think it counts as a vegetable. But even gummies can hurt your teeth. Lucky for Zoe, Rumi's got a secret. She's also a dentist, among other things. Good news, it's not cavities. You've just got some candy stuck in there. Can't let good candy go to waste. Looks like you're due for a tongue scraping, too. Now you might feel a little tingle. Seriously, this syrup is really sweet. While we're here, let's ditch that sore tooth. If you think that hurts, wait till you get the bill. Mini Rumi's sure got some moves, but let's take a peek at what makes her tick. Ooh, someone's got water beads on the brain. Guess she's Big Rumi's biggest and smallest fan. Some nanotape will help you share your thoughts with the world. And Zoe can help. We need a can for our fan. Use it to make a container and fill it with all those water beads. Seal it up nice and tight and save that tab for the top. Now give your new can a tight squeeze. Careful though, we don't want to smudge that face. Hey girls, still need something to do?
Yay!
We got a cool new fidget board for you. You can comb Mira's hair. Where is she anyway? Oh, she was hiding behind her bangs the whole time. And there's always room for accessories. Why don't you play with Derpy next? He's always a good time. The one time it's okay to stick your tongue out. You can knock this down. Just put it back up. Of course, nothing's more fun than ramen. Besides, there's always room when it comes in fun size. Just add veggies and spicy seasoning. Of course, hot water really gets things cooking. Sure, this might be Rumi's favorite flavor. But aren't friends supposed to share everything? So why not play with what Zoe likes the most? Or something you all like, fresh Gimbap. Start by opening up our wooden roller. Now lay down dried seaweed, rice, and your favorite fillings. Next, it's time to let the good times roll. And things don't get better than Gimbap.
Wow!
This stuff is good to the last gulp.
Wow!
There's no use crying over spilled blue stuff.
What?
But I'd understand crying over a ruined manicure. We can fix this. Red-handed's more traditional. And we can use it to make some fun handprints.
What?
Turn it over and you can make something new. Like a pair of two best friends who are probably waiting for their third friend. Don't forget to add some other colors. Or wait for monochrome to go back in style.
Yes!
Ah, friends don't need an excuse to give each other gifts.